Hey, good evening, everyone. Good evening. So yes, today I want us to research on how to make an appeal for your Facebook account through Meta support team. So let's dive into it immediately. So yeah, when you come here, oh sorry, I was doing something for now. So we're going to add a new tab and search for Facebook, business.facebook, yeah, slash overview. So when we come here, we want to log into Meta Business. You want to log into Meta Business? I'm already logged in. So already is one of my brands. Yeah. Okay. So what we want to do now is to go to social media manager, advert manager, see right here. So we go to ad manager. Here it's loading, it's loading. So when you come here, we don't want to run any ad, right? So we just have to go to overview. Yeah, this one up here that looks like a clock. Account overview. Yes. So when you come here, what's going on? What's going on? Okay, no. I don't know. You need to show. Okay, yeah, finally. So when we get to this point, yeah, when we get to this point, once you have an issue with your account, it's actually going to appear here. It's going to appear here, and this is where you can make appeal. This is where you can make appeal. So I want us to figure out how to actually message them. How to message. Yeah, how to message them is right down here. When you come here in this help section, how to get help. Yeah, you click on this help, and then you're going to see some things around this place. And then you see this contact support. Can you see this contact support? This one right here. So this is where you're going to contact them directly to message them. It can be on yes, it can be via email, or you can send them a message on Messenger, yeah, Messenger. Because when I had an issue, that was where I sent a message directly. But there's something you have to have in mind. You have to be sure. Sometimes they might tell you to submit your NIN card or ID card or means of identification. That is why you have to have your full name, so that your first name is going to tally with your account details. Because sometimes if you use, like then I used Maureen or Kanumi, I could not get that account back until date. So that's why my new Facebook account I actually used my whole name, Chinelu More Okanumi. Yes, I use my full name for that. So that is my reason. But that being said, you can come here and actually submit an issue. They might direct you to the messenger or the email. But if they direct you to messenger, it's much better that way. Because on messenger they have your time, they have your full time. You might just message them and then later on they'll be like, oh, support is going to get to you. And that is where you can talk one on one with actually a human and not AI. Possibly it might be AI that I was even calling human, but it's been quite a long time, so we cannot say for sure. So yes, what else? Is there something else I want to say? So once you come here, you actually see if your account is having issue or not, and then you can submit a report. Yeah. I don't think there's any other thing, but for now, let's end here. If there's something else, I'll surely make a video about it and show you guys how to go about it. So, thank you very much, and thank you for listening to me once again. Remember to subscribe and like if you actually got something from what I said. And if this worked for you, remember to share with others. Thank you.